Ready to unleash the full potential of your WordPress payment forms? Paymattic's diverse input fields let you tailor any type of payment form. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to all the input fields Paymattic has to offer. So let's get right into that. Once you have taken a blank form, from here, the first thing you're going to notice is this clean Gutenberg style editor, which you can use to tailor your form anywhere you like. To add a field, just hit slash. And there you have it, all the input fields right here. These are categorized into 3 different categories like general fields, donation and product fields, and payment methods. One thing's worth mentioning that all of the fields are not free. Some are exclusive for the Pro version. There is an alternative to add fields, like after hitting slash, you can just search for your fields. See, there it is. And there is one other way to add fields. Hit this plus icon. There you have it. You can also search here. These categories speak for themselves, First up, general fields are your bread and butter. Name, email, phone number, the classics. Need to collect donations or sell items? You'll find them here, packed with fields like payment items, subscription payment, payment summary, etc. Finally, the payment method gang has your back, integrating seamlessly with Stripe, PayPal, and even offline options. Hold on, don't forget to set up this first before you use it, okay? Now, let's talk about some fields that will blow your mind, like donation progress items, coupon, etc. With these, you can do some crazy stuff. For example, with the donation progress item, you can show your donors their impact in real time. Forget tax headaches, the text field automatically calculates the right amount, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. And with coupon code, incentivize purchases, attract new customers, and watch your business flourish. Did you know that you can customize these fields just by clicking on them? So handy, right? But for advanced customization, you're gonna have to dive deeper. See, all of the customizations are there for your convenience. Oh, what's that? Silly me, totally forgot about those. You can easily rearrange your fields. Just drag them to your preferred place. Oh, deleting any fields is also super easy. See, gone. Just like that. Oh, I didn't mean to delete that field. Let's get it back. Yes, you can do that too. That's a cool form editor indeed. That was all about input fields in Paymattic. Hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in the comment which input field you use most often, which is your favorite, and also any specific feature or fields that you want in Paymattic.